Welcome to 45 acres of pure Pocono serenity. This Salem Township farm is much more than meets the eye. From the days of Hamlin settlement in the early 1800s to this very moment in time, 788 Hamlin Highway brings that nostalgic charm, accompanied by modern convenience. The most senior structure on the grounds is the main barn, originally raised in the early 1800s by Revolutionary War veteran Major Theodore Woodbridge, who was responsible for a great many more Salem Township settlement achievements, from the original sawmill on the Moss Hollow Creek to one of the earliest Christian religious meetings taking place in this very barn. The original beams still hoist up this amazing building more than 200 years later, and without any power tool markings or building techniques that our modern world may take for granted, it is undoubtedly something truly special to behold. With plenty of personal acreage spanning the property, feel free to take it all in from the comfort of your very own and well-kept farmhouse, situated on the front of the property, overlooking pastures, pond, and beautiful horizons that provide you with a sunset that cannot be quite replicated. Originally built in 1951, this home has been updated and improved upon to bring it happily into the new millennium, while still tagging along is that perfect American dream fortitude that can never be forgotten.